Welcome back to Automotive Widgets, your trusted source for honest, hands-on automotive reviews. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best rims for Toyota Camry. Perfect if you're looking to upgrade your style, improve performance, or replace damaged factory wheels. From OEM precision to sporty finishes, we've tested and reviewed them all so you can choose confidently. Stay tuned till the end. We'll share our top pick and a few expert tips to keep your rims looking brand new. Number 5. New Premium Alloy Rim. The new 19 by 8 inch premium aluminum alloy wheel, ALY 75222U46N, is a top-tier replacement for Toyota Camry XSE models from 2021 to 2024, designed to deliver both elegance and exceptional driving performance. This OE-style direct-fit rim meets all factory specifications, from the ET50 offset to the 5x140.3 bolt pattern, ensuring a flawless installation without any modifications. Crafted with premium aluminum alloy, this rim offers excellent strength-to-weight balance, enhancing your Camry's handling, fuel economy, and braking response. The precision-machined surface and polished silver finish give it a sporty, luxurious look that perfectly complements modern Camry trims. Drivers appreciate how it restores the car's showroom appearance after damage or simply elevates its style for a bolder road presence. It's also built to last, resisting corrosion and impacts from rough terrain or harsh weather conditions. Whether you're after performance or appearance, this rim delivers both effortlessly. Number 4. Silver Alloy Replacement Rim. This 17-inch silver alloy wheel is engineered as a direct OEM-style replacement for Toyota Camry models from 2012 to 2014, delivering both performance and aesthetic appeal. Constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, this rim provides a balance of strength, lightness, and precision that enhances handling and cornering stability. Its classic silver finish replicates the original factory look, blending seamlessly with the Camry's refined design. Users praise its perfect bolt pattern alignment, 5x140.3, and plug-and-play compatibility. Simply mount your existing tire, and you're ready to go. The rim's precision machining minimizes vibration, ensuring smooth rides even at high speeds. Owners who replaced bent or damaged stock wheels report improved road grip and reduced noise, making it a practical and budget-friendly solution. It's also an excellent choice for those seeking a cost-effective OEM replacement that doesn't compromise quality or longevity. Number 3. New Premium Alloy Rim. This 17 by 7 inch premium aluminum alloy wheel rim is a direct fit option for Toyota Camry SE models 2015-2017, offering a flawless combination of OEM precision and sleek visual appeal. Built from high-quality aluminum alloy, this rim provides a sturdy yet lightweight construction that enhances your vehicle's fuel efficiency and overall driving dynamics. Drivers love how it installs seamlessly with factory lug nuts, center caps, and TPMS sensors. No extra modifications required. The silver finish gives your Camry a refined, contemporary look that complements its aerodynamic body lines perfectly. Whether you're replacing a damaged rim or upgrading all 4 for uniformity, the ALY 75171U35N ensures long-term durability and superior balance on every drive. Thanks to its corrosion-resistant coating, it withstands harsh weather and road conditions, maintaining its luster even after years of use. This rim is ideal for those seeking a dependable, stylish, and OEM-grade replacement that restores performance and beauty to their Camry. Number 2. Replacement wheel for Toyota Camry. If you're after a sleek, OEM-style upgrade, this replacement 19-inch aluminum alloy rim is a perfect match for 2018-2020 Camry XSE, XLE, LE, and SE models. It's built to mirror the factory 42611-06E2 design, ensuring perfect fitment and performance consistency. The black with silver machined face gives the Camry a modern, aggressive aesthetic, ideal for those who want to add a sportier edge to their sedan. Made from high-grade aluminum alloy, the rim offers strength without the extra weight, improving fuel efficiency and handling. Customers appreciate its flawless compatibility with OEM center caps, lugs, and sensors, which means you can reuse your existing hardware with zero modifications. The finish holds up well against weathering, making it a reliable long-term investment for your vehicle's appearance and performance. This rim not only restores your Camry's original look after curb damage, but also enhances ride smoothness thanks to precise balancing and machining. Number 1. New Premium Alloy Rim. This 19 by 8-inch premium aluminum alloy rim is designed for 2018-2020 Toyota Camry XSE models and delivers OEM-level quality with a stylish factory finish. The rim's lightweight yet durable aluminum alloy ensures a smooth, balanced ride while resisting corrosion and damage from harsh roads. Users praise how easily it replaces the original rim. No modifications or special hardware needed. The polished silver finish with subtle detailing gives the Camry a luxurious and sporty edge, perfectly complementing the XSE's bold design. It's a direct fit replacement, meeting factory standards for offset, diameter, and bolt pattern, so you get OEM precision without dealership prices. This rim's balanced construction enhances both the ride comfort and overall vehicle handling, especially noticeable during highway cruising. Thanks for watching this review on the best rims for Toyota Camry. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Automotive Widgets, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next automotive breakdown. Check the Amazon links in the description to explore today's featured rims and drop a comment telling us which one you think fits your Camry best. Until next time, drive safe and stay stylish.